Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Brian, and I help you stay ahead of the game with the latest in tech, productivity, and digital creativity. Today, we're diving into the top 5 free AI tools that are perfect for beginners in 2025. Whether you're a student, content creator, or just curious about AI, these tools are easy to use and seriously powerful. And the best part? They won't cost you a dime. Let's jump right in. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. If you've ever wanted a super smart assistant who's available 24/7, ChatGPT is your new best friend. You can ask it anything, from helping you write emails or summarize articles to explaining complex topics like you're 5. The best thing? It's super conversational. You just type like you're texting a friend and boom, it replies with clear, helpful answers. Great for brainstorming, writing, learning, you name it. Whether you're a student trying to finish an essay or someone just looking to sound smarter in meetings, ChatGPT's got your back. Next, we've got Canva, a total game changer if you're into design, but not like a designer. Canva uses AI to help you create stunning visuals in just a few clicks. Social media posts, resumes, YouTube thumbnails, you name it, it's there. The new Magic Design tool is wild. You type a short prompt like, make a flyer for a yoga class, and Canva suggests full-blown designs in seconds. Even if you've never touched Photoshop in your life, Canva makes you look like a pro. Coming in hot at number 3 is CapCut. And TikTok creators, you're gonna love this one. CapCut is a free AI-powered video editor that works on both desktop and mobile. It's super beginner-friendly and perfect for creating short-form videos for TikTok, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Its auto-caption feature is amazing. It listens to your audio and adds accurate captions instantly. No more typing subtitles by hand. Plus, it has tons of filters, effects, and trending templates. If you're starting your creator journey in 2025, CapCut should be in your toolbox. Number 4, veed.io. Think of it like CapCut's online cousin. It's a super sleek browser-based video editor with some next-level AI features. Perfect for podcasters, educators, or anyone editing videos on the go. No downloads, just log in and get started. One standout tool, remove background noise. With just one click, veed.io cleans up messy audio so your voice sounds crisp and professional, like you're recording in a studio. Great for Zoom recordings, tutorials, or even cleaning up that voice note you recorded in your car. Last but not least, DALL.e-mini, also known as Crayon. This one's just plain fun. DALL. E-mini is a free AI image generator that turns your text into wild, creative pictures. Just type something like a cat DJ at a rave, and it gives you a hilarious AI-generated image in seconds. It's perfect for meme making, idea generation, or just blowing your friends' minds with crazy visuals. It's not always photorealistic, but that's part of the charm. It's fast, fun, and totally free. And there you have it. 5 amazing AI tools that are free, beginner-friendly, and super useful in 2025. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try. Or if you've got a favorite I didn't mention, I'd love to hear from you. If you got value out of this video, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more weekly tips on tech, tools, and creativity. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative.